And for the jawline, if you want to enhance the jawline here, you can go further down beneath it. And I'm going to show you today also a bit of the chin. And here you have to do it like a fan kind of pattern. Like this. And you can build this like a lot of threads in this kind of way. And then to stabilize it. Is it possible to take this down? Yeah, thank you. So I'm going to use the 27 in a fan technique.
Forecast for the next years between threads and fillers? What's going to be the market share? Do you have an opinion about this?
Well, I can tell you the big companies as Allergan, for instance, and Galderma today, which have fillers, due to them being so big, nothing is happening really, but I can tell you they are now already looking into this in Korea through their partner companies. So I would say in the future, the threads will be a part, being for all big companies, both those threads and fillers. Definitely.
Anything else about contraindications to the thread treatment?
I would say, Leah, what would you say there? Any contraindications?
Any
From bleeding, I mean, apart from
bleeding diseases, pregnancy. Yeah, and if you've had,
pregnancy?
sorry?
I can tell you why.
Is it the stress?
No, it's like this. You don't want to take any risk.
Yeah,
Either with Botox or filler, even if you know it's not a problem. But if something happens, and the person, the mother connects it to the threads, that's a terrible situation. And also there's no studies done, so there's nothing we can prove that.
No research.
So to be on the safe side, I would say, leave it out.
And what about isotretinoin? Have you had any experience with that?
You shouldn't use it, no. So this is the fan technique that you use to tighten up the skin down here. It is very common actually among younger patients who have this double chin. And here also you can put the threads a bit deeper, as I told you before, for lipolysis, if you have a lot of fat down here.
I even think maybe that this could be more popular than dermatology on the long run. I would think so. It will take a couple of years. Because it's the natural look that's the key in this.
Is there a limit to how many threads you can put into a client in one session?
What would you say, Leah?
Actually, I recommend not more than 150.
Not more than
Yeah. And then I mean using both the 29 and 25 and 27.
How much would you charge
A full face. This is more than full face that I'm doing right now, but just this part we charge at least 1,500 euros, at least.
Which country are you working in?
Sweden.
We have now, as I said, a very big congress in Sweden. You know that one. It's the end of May. It's Institute for Science. It's was organized about 12 years ago by the famous.
And this last one, I'm gonna put a bit deeper down here. For the lipolysis, she doesn't have much here anyway, so.
Have you doing it for the frequency like a week after the thread therapy?
What would you say here?
And the
What would you do
frequency
that? Frequency.
Yeah, that's possible, but not chemical peels. No, at least 2 months. So you should be careful with that, yeah, for the scarring. No chemical peels. And also, threads are really good and give good results on people who had had acne before. So they have acne scars because when you put the threads, you create the collagen and you also open up the scars beneath the skin. So that gives a really good result. But you shouldn't use it if they have acne at the moment.